Welcome to Revit Basics. What we're going to do is take you through the software, how it works underneath, how the different sections are all linked together, so that finally we can produce 3D object and then produce detailed drawings from that. The first thing we're going to look at is the projects. So inside of Revit we have these different types: construction, architecture, structural and mechanical. These templates of projects are there for the different aspects of CAD used in the construction industry. We are going to use architectural for ours. The first thing I want to show you is just how Revit saves all its work. So I'm going to open a directory now, and here we've got a project that I've called Dovetail Lane. We'll be producing this later on. You might find it familiar from graphical detailing, and you'll see we've got 5 Revit files. The first Revit file is the main file. This is your actual working file, so it just has whatever you called it with .rvt. All of the numbered ones that are above it are the backup files, so should we ever have a problem, we can resort back to the backup files. One thing that you really need to do is make sure that you've got a proper structure inside of your documents. So Revit doesn't actually organize this for you like other programs, so you can create yourself a project folder for the property or design you're working on, or you can put it inside of a unit folder for college, but you just need to get some kind of organization going. You can open the file directly from here, but clicking on a backup file will open up that one from whatever point that was saved. So I would just recommend opening your files from inside the program itself. It'll be there in your recent projects anyway. So when we're ready, we can either open recent one from down here, we can open a file using the open dialog, or in this case we want to create a new architectural template project. So we click on this one here. Now that Revit's open, across the top we've got our ribbon toolbar. The different tabs do different things, and each different tab has a different set of commands on them. Over here on the left we've got 2 panes that are docked to the left hand side. We've got the properties and the project browser. So we have these open all the time. Don't worry if you close them, we can get them back for you. The properties tab will change depending on what you're doing. If you're in a wall, it will show you all the details of that wall, or if you're in a window, it will show you the details of that window. Up here in the R button, we've got new, open, all those things that you'd expect. And across the top here are some quick links, so you can use the ones that are up there, or you can actually configure them yourself. The project browser shows us all of the details inside of a Revit file. So we've got our floor plans, ceiling plans, 3D views, elevations. When we start creating drawings, we can have legends, schedules, and actual sheet sets. At the moment you can't really see much that's going on, so in the next video we'll look at an existing project and go through all of these in a little more detail.